President Muhammadu Buhari and the Minister of Aviation, I heard what you did. In fact, the whole world have seen what you did. To me, I would say that the boys that EFCC are going about seizing their properties, catching them, breaking into their houses, I don't think they have even done up to what the Minister of Aviation, Hadi Sirika, has done. It is a shame that there is no better way to name, there is no other name to name this apart from being fraudulent and being a Yahoo. You can't, no much more to do for them to call you a Yahoo boy now. The Minister of Aviation is a Yahoo boy. Now look at what he did now. You went to hire Ethiopia Airline, paint it, bring it to Nigeria, lie to us the citizens that you have bought an aircraft for Nigerian Air, and the next thing you went to bring the president. Kai, this man have mind. You brought the president, show him an aircraft and say, this is our Nigerian aircraft that you gave me money to buy. No wonder they didn't open the aircraft to go inside and snap it, because they know if we go inside the aircraft, we will see Ethiopian logo. This is wickedness now. What does it cost Nigeria as a country to buy a plane? What does it cost us to buy a plane? The owner of Airpeace, did he not buy a plane? Do you know how many planes Airpeace have? Do you know if a state like Akwa Ibom can even manage a plane? Ibom Air, they are managing an aircraft, Ibom airplane, flying up and down, using it as commercial to make money. What does it cost Nigeria as a country to have plane, airline? So that other do you know that if we have airline, if we have a plane in Nigeria, do you know that other countries will even transit in Nigeria? Therefore, it will even contribute to our GDP. You are scamming the country. I've never seen this kind of thing in my life. For a minister to scam a whole country, you even took pictures. And my even problem is the MD of PAN that is coming out now to even confess and say that is actually Ethiopian Airline. Kai! So you are even part of the evil. Why did you not confess from the very first day? You are confessing now that actually it is Ethiopian Airline. So you went to, even Ethiopia doesn't even trust us. That's why they didn't even remove the number. So that when it's flying, you, hi, I am ashamed of you. From the money he stole for this aircraft scam, look at the house he went to build in Katsina. Look at the house. He built himself a village in Katsina with our money. So what are they supposed to do when this kind of news come out? Are they not supposed to even go and meet the man and probe him and say, the 130-something billion naira you collected for this aircraft, that the truth is out? How come the man is still free? If it's Yahoo boys now that collect small thing abroad, they will rush and go and arrest them. Yahoo's boys that are collecting small thing, they have arrested them. These ones that scam a whole country, they are scamming foreigners, you are catching them. This one scam us, the country. It scam us internally. It scam. What even paid me is that Buhari even went to commission the aircraft. So I don't like people that will come out and say Buhari is not corrupt, Buhari has integrity, Buhari this. Show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. This is a minister of Buhari. Buhari appointed this man. And this man went to scam a country under Buhari watch and brought even Buhari to go, and Buhari even came to commission the aircraft. I am totally ashamed of this country. I am drastically ashamed. If I tell you that I'm not angry, I'm lying. That is how he came out and said he went to buy 10 firefighting trucks for how many billion? Scam us. That is when I know that there is a problem, that this man is leading somewhere. from that firefighting trucks he bought. That is the first scam. The second scam is the aircraft scam. What my question is that, what does it take the country, Nigeria, to buy an aircraft? Why can't we just make things work in this country? Why can't we even just say, okay, fine, let us make things work in this country? We are even scam. Kai. Now, Hadisika, how will you even feel that you as a minister, you scam a whole country that you are from? You lied to us that you bought an aircraft for us, Nigerian Air. You even paint an car. I am totally ashamed. I am totally ashamed. Very, very ashamed. This one is something that the government is still putting their hand when they heard that this man scam us like this. Hadi Sirka, I leave you in the hands of God to judge you for what you did to us. The poor masses are suffering. People are suffering. People cannot even afford 3 square meal. We are looking, this is why I'm telling you that you have not even seen anything. Very soon you will start seeing a lot of things that happen under Buhari government. A lot of things will start unfolding. This one is even small. We are waiting. There are many people that stole money. I told you that period that all the ministry was cashing out. Cleaning ponds, left, right, center. Don't worry. Time is coming that we will start seeing all the things that Buhari did, that they are bringing out his pile and say no debt, whatever. Buhari even come out and says that his asset did not increase. His asset did not decrease. Even his cow did not born. They didn't even die. Everything remains stagnant. Well done. Well done, Mr. Integrity. Even as I'm talking that Buhari did this, the minister did that, some people will still watch this video and say this man and Shaibu don't have sense. I understand that I don't have sense, but I'm the spice creator. This one is something that I was given from birth. Google me if you like. Don't Google me, that is your business.